What's going on, y'all? Give everybody a couple minutes to come on in. How's everybody doing tonight? Happy Tuesday. What's going on, y'all? I'll give it a couple minutes here. We'll get started. Hey, Jason, nah, man, everybody paid up. It's an eBay miracle. Everybody paid up today. Happy. I may have some teams available in that Bowman, though, so I'll let you know. See what happens. All right, what's going on, Steven? I'm going to give it till 9:07 here. 9:07 and we'll get started. I'm just waiting to see if everybody shows up. Any late comers here? Then we'll get this party started. So, in the meantime, guys, if you're brand new to the group, I want to welcome you. Thank you for being here. My name's Dennis. The other guy that does stuff on here is Chris. Chris Sheffer. Yeah, so if you're brand new, stick around, man. We got all kinds of good stuff coming up. I know we both have some Obsidian. I've got some Prism coming in. So for next week, I know we'll be busy doing some Obsidian first off the line plus Prism. All kinds of good stuff next week. So check it out. I think Chris has some stuff this week, though. If everything goes well. All right, 9:07. Let's get rolling, baby. Good luck, everyone. Here's the list. All the eBay winners and your names. Keep an eye on my notifications, see if we get anybody else coming in, but this is what we're rolling with now. Okay, so we got this 2020 Chronicles. 12 packs in here, 15 cards per pack. Good stuff in here. Looking for those those black prisms. The Donruss, the Rated Rookie Clears. What are the other ones? Oh my God, I can't think of it right now. The other clear ones. There's a playoff momentum. I'm drawing a blank here. All right, well, let's get after it, guys. Good luck to you. Let's pull some fire tonight. Let's pull some fun stuff. This is always a fun rip. Y'all done Chronicles before, I'm sure. Always some fun stuff in here. All right, there should be 6 and 6. Let's get going. Good luck, y'all. So if you haven't done this with me before, just to kind of let you know, we'll be sleeving all the rookies. There's a ton of rookies in here. I'll sleeve all the rookies, top load all the big guys, and other hits and everything. If there's someone that you want me to top load, just let me know. Be happy to, if I don't already. Let's get going. Good luck, everyone. We have Cam Akers starting us off with the Rams. We have Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. Saquon, we got Emmett, we got Jerry Rice, we got LaVisca for the Jags, James Robinson, another Jag, this Omega's here. We have DeAndre Swift, nice one for the Lions. There's our clear rated rookie for Brandon Ayuk, that's a nice one there. All right, Joshua Kelly, Chargers. Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Down Just a little bit. There we go. Julian Blackmon for the Colts. We have KJ Hamler for the Broncos. Another Chase Claypool. Steelers. Jalen Johnson for the Bears. The Bears. Brandon Ayuk. Why not? We'll go ahead and top load Ayuk. He had a crappy year last year, but I think he'll bounce back. All right, let's keep going. Keep wanting to think Clearly Donruss, but that's like a whole nother product. Clear Vision, there you go. That's what I was trying to think of. Clear Vision. I knew I'd get it eventually. Phillip Rivers for the Colts. Kyler Murray. We got Josh Allen. Kamara. My boy Dak. Julio. Cole Kmet for the Bears. There's the Jake Fromm. State Farm for the Bills. Another Brandon Ayuk. Niners hitting with Ayuk. We have Jordan Love. Used to be worth something. Kind of fallen off now, hasn't he? Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. There's a nice Tua. Get us started with the big QBs. Tua for Miami. Got J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. There's Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. And Chase Young for the, almost said Redskins. For the Commanders now. Going to sleeve this, Brandon, because it's a nice chrome. Want to make sure we keep it nice and shiny and pretty. Sleeve it right away. Hang on a second. Nice Tua. This one right here, though, drives me nuts because it's so whitewashed out. Like, the background should be darker in that picture. He's wearing a white uniform, but hey, Tua's a Tua. We'll take it. Where's our black? Prism Black. Debo. Got J.J. Watt, Texans. Warren Moon will go to the Titans. We got Joey Bosa. We have Teddy Bridgewater. Brian Edwards for the Raiders. There we go. Wow, it's T. Higgins. T. Higgins, a nice player. Hey, another Tua. Nice Omega for Tua. Jerry Jeudy in the playoff momentum. My boy CD. Let's go, CD. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Ugh, this guy. Motherfreaking T. Higgins again. And LaVisca and Brian Edwards for the Raiders. I'm going to top load this one since it's an Omega for T. Higgins. Not a bad little card there for the Bengals. And of course, Tua. Alright, keep on keeping on. All right, Danny Jones, Giants. We got Z. Go Cowboys. We got this guy. We got Hollywood for the Ravens. Drew Brees. Got Adam Thielen. Got Tyler Johnson in the Omega. Oh, looks like we have a some back here. Looks like the Prism. Oh no, it's just Legacy. Got this guy right here. Not saying his name. CD. Let's go, my boy CD. J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Got Zach Moss, Bills. LaMichael Pirine for the Jets. Another T. Higgins for the Bengals. Where's our Joey B, man? Gabriel Davis for the Bills and Denzel Mims for the Jets. Oh, excuse me. What's going on, Pop Queen? Checking us out. Doing some old school Chronicles. Old school meaning last year. Just for the heck of it, just for fun. S's and giggles. CD, let's go Cowboys. Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Deshaun Watson, Texans. We got Derrick Henry, Titans. Keenan Allen. J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Come on, Darrington Evans for the Titans. Give us a good one. Ooh, nice, J.J. Justin Jefferson. Nice one there for the Vikings. And a Anthony McFarland Jr., rated rookie clear. Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Jeremy Chin for the Panthers. There's Justin Herbert. Boom, let's go. Another CD, lots of CDs. Hey, Joey B making an appearance. Let's go, CEH. I think this whole set, that luminance, they just made it too light, like overexposed. It's weird. Same way with this one. JJ definitely gets top loaded here. Oh yeah. Boom! Let's go. Squeeze in there, JJ. Get in there. And of course, Justin Herbert. Alright, got the two big QBs out of the way. Let's get some fun stuff for them though, man. Some clears, some Omegas. Jalen Hurts, you going over here. There we go. All right, last pack of the first half. Let's go, let's go. Oh, we got a prism. Got a black prism. Jim Kelly. Bills, Michael Thomas, Saints. Mike Evans for the Bucks. Derek Carr, Raiders. Ray Lewis, Ravens. Baker for the Browns. We have Joshua Kelly for the Omega. We got Darnell Mooney for the Bears. We got a rookie from the Niners. Who's a rookie for the Niners? Oh, is it Ayuk? Boom, Ayuk. Let's go, baby. Nice. Very nice. All right, we'll wrap that one up nice and neat. Jordan Love for the Packers. We got CD. Lots of CD. Loving it. There's another Justin Jefferson. A James Robinson. DeAndre Swift. And Malik Harrison for the Ravens. Not bad. Niners hitting it. That's David, isn't it? Dave Williams? Yeah, that's you, right? Yeah, that's you, Dave. Right on, man. All right, let's clear some room out for the second half here. All right. Check my notifications real quick. I think we're good. Okay. We got 6 more packs. We're only halfway done. Let's go, baby. Not a bad start. Let's do better. Let's do even better. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Got Cam Newton, Jarvis Landry for the Browns, Juju, Steelers, Jordan Love again for the Packers. Got A.J. Brown, Titans. We have Zach Moss for the Bills. Antonio Gibson, nice Omega for him. And a Denzel Mims, Omega for the Jets. There's a Zach Moss, Clear Vision. Sweet looking cards there. L'Jarius Sneed for the Chiefs. Darnell Mooney for the Bears. We got James Robinson. Got James Morgan. All the Jameses. Gabriel Davis and a Jalen Reagor. All the Jameses. All right, let's keep on rolling, baby. Keep on rocking and rolling. Last night we did, or 2 nights ago we did this. We got 2 Prism Blacks, so I'm hoping for another one. Nice Justin Herbert. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Got T.J. Hawkinson. Chris Godwin, Bucks. Travis Kelce, Chiefs. There's another Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Nice Jalen Hurts, Omega for the Eagles. Come on, baby. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. A Jordan Love. Nice one there for the Pack. We got James Robinson, Jags. We got Justin Jefferson again there, Vikings. Michael Pittman Jr., Colts. Patrick Queen, Ravens. Oh, boom, Tua. Let's go, baby. Tua. J.K. Dobbins. 2 Tuas. Tua's in a make-or-break year, man. He's got to perform this year. He ain't got no excuses. So hopefully he does well and his cards go right up through the roof, man. It'd be nice. It'd be nice. Let's put a nicer one up there. How about that? I'll put this one, Jordan Love. It's a nice Jordan Love. I don't think he has a lot of value left, does he? Unfortunately. He was one to chase last year. Everybody thought Aaron Rodgers retiring. Man, ain't never going to retire. Him and Tom Brady don't just play until they're 80. And still be whooping everybody's butt. Pretty decent pack, man. There's another Justin Herbert. There we go. Boom, boom. Boom, shagalaka, boom, boom, boom. All right, man, this is a nice Jalen Hurts. Let's put him up here, up front. Up front, front and center. All right. Megas are nice cards. Nice cards. All right, here we go. Lambjack. We got Randy Moss for the Patriots, Nick Chubb, Browns, Big Ben for the Steelers, Devontae Adams, Packers. We have LaMichael P. Ryan for the Jets. Boom, there's Joey B in the Omega. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Brian Edwards right behind that for the Raiders. Oh, Justin Jefferson rated rookie clear. Beautiful, beautiful card. Jonathan Taylor, first time we've seen him maybe? We haven't seen a lot of him. Jacob Eason for the Bills. Another Justin Herbert there. Jerry Jeudy. Another Jonathan Taylor. And CEH right behind that. Y'all so quiet tonight. So give me a name. We'll throw it out there in the universe. See if he pops up. Sometimes it works, man. Sometimes it works. This Justin Jefferson is nice. I dig these clear rated rookies. Beauty. Beauty, eh? And we'll keep that there. We'll keep going. Oh, there we go. All right, we got 3 more to go. Let's get another black, Prism Black. Let's get a Prism Black Silver. That would be nice. This pack open, that would be good too. Nah. Alright. Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. Josh Jacobs, Raiders. Miles Sanders, Eagles. Barry Sanders, my favorite of all time there. Tom Brady, the GOAT. Brett Favre. Got a nice Chase Claypool Omega. Keshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. Chase Young. Did I say Chase Young? I meant Chase Claypool if I said Chase. I don't remember what I said. Jalen Hurts. We got Brandon Ayuk for the Niners. Jeff Okuda Matata for the Lions. Cam Akers, Rams, Denzel Mims, and a Tyler Johnson. There's David. What's up, man? We're hitting nice on the Niners for you, brother. Couple nice Brandon Ayuk's. Another Jalen Hurts. This Chase Young is the score, which is like their exclusive. So why not? Plus he's a beast. Hurt last year, but still a beast. All right. And Chase Claypool definitely a good receiver. Okay, hang on one second. I got some people trying to join real quick. Oh, somebody got him. Right on. All right. I'm back. Jason, yeah, man, I love Chronicles, man. I think it's very underrated. You know, the cards don't sell for a ton of money, but if you're just collecting your favorite players, I mean, it's really cool that you get so many different kinds of cards, and it's a lot of fun to rip too. You never know what you're gonna get. Tyreek Hill, we got Julio, we got Adam Thielen. That's why I bought him, man, just for fun, basically. Baker, we got Chase Claypool again. We have motherfreaking T. Higgins, J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Oh, nice, Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. A Zach Moss. Did we get a Zach Moss earlier? Get another one. Cole Kmet for the Bears. We got another Brandon Ayuk. Niners. We got LaMichael P. Ryan for the Jets. Laviska for the Jags. Another Brandon Ayuk and a Chase Young. I don't think you can get Debo rookies. And Debo's a year before, I think. He was 2019, I believe. You're not going to get Debo out of this one. You did get a Debo base card out of this one, but you're not going to get a Debo out of this one. Sorry, brother. Maybe I need to buy some 19 Chronicles. I think he was 19. Oh, we did get another Black Prism. Sweet. Okay, let's go. Brett Favre. Good luck, everyone. Last pack magic, by the way. Gronk. Dick Butkus going old school. Joe Namath. Man, old school again. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. We got Gronk. Got an Omega 4. Gabriel Davis. He's still pretty hot in the market because he was huge after that. He went off last year. Nice CEH Omega. Of course, a rookie, and it's a Charger. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me a Herbert. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's hit it. Nice Black Prism. Yeah, nice. Sweet. Joey B right behind that. Jonathan Taylor. Motherfreaking T. Higgins. We got Jake from State Farm and a Tua. What a pack. And a Jordan Love. Wow. Okay, cool, man. Nice. We got us a Black Prism. Justin Herbert, congrats to the Chargers. Let's go. There's your Tua. That's a big bang. About the best you're going to get. Or a Joey B Black Prism. Maybe a silver. This one isn't a silver, but it's still pretty. Come on, Baker. Hey, man, I'm a huge Baker Mayfield fan. I think he's getting a bad rap here. I really do. I know he's not the greatest QB in the world, and he's pretty average, really, when it comes to the NFL. Let me get another top loader for this one. But I still think he's good. I think he'll do a good job somewhere. Sam, I'd be happy to get away from the Browns. No offense to Browns fans. Nice. Okay, let's go through the hits. Let's go through the quick recap here, guys, and we'll be all set. Of course, we got this nice Justin Herbert. Bam, there you go. Joey B. Tua. Chase Claypool in the Omega. We got a Chase Young. Jalen Hurts. We got a Joey B. We got a Justin Jefferson. Nice clear rated rookie. Justin Herbert again. We got Justin Jefferson again, the Omega. JJ did okay. Jalen Hurts. We got Justin Herbert again. Jordan Love in there. Tua. We got T. Higgins in the Omega. Brandon Ayuk in the clear, rated rookie. Tua. Nice Joey B. Got a couple of nice Omegas. Nice. And a Jalen Hurts Omega. We got really good Omegas this time. Tua. We got another Justin Herbert up here. And a Jonathan Taylor Omega. And a Brandon Ayuk. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jason. The Browns had, I mean, they're terrible. They have nobody to throw to. They're just a running team. That's all they are. And they're a great running team, but you can be a quarterback there. You don't want to be a quarterback these days. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody paying. And it's an eBay miracle when I get everybody paid up in time. You guys paid really early. I really appreciate that, guys. I'm out for now. Going to do some baseball here in a little bit, so come back and check it out. Watch me butcher some names. And that'll be a fun rip. There's good stuff in there, too. All right, I'm out, guys. We'll see you again next time.